from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 4.6% in the last session. According to the Ultimate Oscillator, we are in an overbought market. The gold dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The oil dollar pair dove 3% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a negative signal.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
The euro dropped to its lowest level in 6.5 months against the greenback, as investors worried about possible US tariffs that would hurt the euro area's economy. Meanwhile, the US dollar index slightly overshot the highs seen right after the US presidential election. Britain's main stock indexes rose, joining a broad rally in European markets, as investors awaited key economic data this week for clues on the path of US and British monetary policy. The blue-chip FTSE 100 rebounded 0.7% from a 3-month low touched in the prior session. Wall Street's indexes were near record highs, ahead of an upcoming batch of economic data that could influence the Federal Reserve's pace of interest rate cuts. Several stocks added to gains they have notched since Donald Trump won the election, as traders expect them to benefit from his return to the White House.
Thank you. And now, moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.